Desperado, why don't you come to your senses? You've been out riding fences for so long now. Oh, you're high on, but I know that you got your reasons. These things that are pleasing you but hurt you somehow. Don't you do the queen of diamonds, boy, she'll beat you if she's able. You know the queen of hearts is always your best bet. Now it seems to be some fine things have been laid upon your table, but you only want the ones that you can get. Desperado, oh, you ain't getting no younger. Your pain and your hunger, they're driving you home. Freedom, oh freedom, well that's just some people talking. You're a prisoner walking through this world alone. Don't you feel it good in the wintertime? The sky won't snow and the sun won't shine. It's hard to tell the nighttime from the day. You're losing all your highs and lows, then you're finding how the feeling goes away. Desperado, why don't you come to your senses? Come down from your fences, open the gate. It may be raining, but there's a rainbow above you. You better let somebody love you. Let somebody love you. You better let somebody love you before it's too